In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build one, step by step, using a tool called Framer. We're starting from a template. We're customizing everything, your photo, your projects, your bio, your links. And by the end of this video, your site is going to be live on the internet. Let's not waste any time. Let's go. All right, let's start. Head over to Google and search for Framer, Framer, and click the first link. Once you're on the site, hit Sign in the top right corner. You can log in directly with your Google account. It literally takes 10 seconds. You don't need to fill in any forms. After signing in, you'll land in your workspace. This is your home base inside Framer. It's where all your projects will live. Think of it like your dashboard. Now you've got two options to start building, from scratch or from a template. And we are absolutely going with a template. It's faster, it looks more polished, and honestly, there's no reason to build everything from zero when someone already did the hard work for you. So let's go find the right one. Click on Browse Templates. You'll land in a full library of options, and there are a lot of them. So the first thing you want to do is filter by free. That way you only see the templates you can actually use without paying anything. You can also filter by style, minimal, bold, creative, or by features like whether it includes a blog or a CMS section. For this video, I'm going with a template called Launchfolio. Just type it in the search bar and it'll be the first result. This one is my personal recommendation for a personal portfolio site. It's got super smooth scroll animations, a really clean and modern aesthetic, a project section, a blog, a services section, and it has a built-in CMS, which we'll use later to manage your projects without touching any code. Take a second to look at the preview. Seriously, for a free template, this is premium level stuff. Once you've picked yours, click Use for Free. Give it a few seconds to load, and welcome to the Framer editor. Before we touch anything, before we upload any photo or change any text, there's one step most tutorials skip, and it's actually the most important one: cleaning up the template. Right now, the template has sections you might not need: pricing, testimonials, FAQ, and a few other things. If you leave them in and they're empty, your site is going to look unfinished. So let's remove what we don't need first, and then we'll build on a clean base. Start at the top with the navigation menu. Double-click until you're inside the menu items. Find the pricing item in the nav, right-click it, and select Hide. Then use the breadcrumb at the top to go back to the home page. You'll see that little path in the top left. Now, scroll through the page. For every section you don't need, click on it, find it in the Layers panel on the left, right-click, and hide it. In my case, I'm hiding the top banner, the testimonial section, and the FAQ. Everything else, projects, services, introduction, blog, footer, I'm keeping. Here's the best part. Any change you make is automatically applied across all screen sizes: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Framer handles that for you. You don't need to redo anything. Now the fun part, making this site yours. Let's start at the very top with the navigation menu. Double-click to enter it. You'll see a small avatar image. Click on it once to select it, and then over on the right panel, click the image again. This opens the file uploader. Choose your photo from your computer. Once it's uploaded, use the crop button to frame your face nicely inside the circle. Then double-click the name text right next to it and type your own name. Simple. Use the breadcrumb at the top to go back to the home page. Now let's edit the main hero section, the big one at the top of the page. Double-click to enter it. Replace the image with yours using the same method. You can also update the button text. Maybe it says book a call or see my work, whatever fits your style. You can change the link behind that button too. I personally recommend keeping it as cal.com. If you've never heard of it, cal.com is a free tool that lets people book a call with you directly. They pick a time slot from your calendar, and it syncs automatically. It's super professional, and it's completely free. Drop a comment if you want me to make a full video on that. Next, the Logos section. This is where you can show the brands or clients you've worked with. Double-click to enter it, and just drag and drop your logos in. If you want them to look black and white like the existing ones, go to Styles, then Filters, then Grayscale, and set it to 100%. And just like that, your logo fits right in with the rest. Now let's talk about the rest of the sections. The quote, the services, the bio. All of these work exactly the same way. Double-click to enter, replace the text with yours, swap the image if there is one, update the icons if you want. It's all drag, drop, and type. No code anywhere. Okay, this is the most important part of the whole video, so pay attention. Click the CMS button at the top of the editor. CMS stands for Content Management System. It's basically a built-in database for your site. This is where you manage your projects without ever touching code. You'll see all the existing demo projects listed here. You can edit them, delete them, or add new ones. To add your own project, click New Item. You'll get a form with different fields: title, description, thumbnail image, project images, and a few other things. Fill in what you have. You don't need to fill every single field, just what makes sense for your project. I'll create a project right now. I'm going to upload a thumbnail, add a couple of project screenshots, write a title, and a short description. Takes about 2 minutes. Once it's done, hit save, then click the live preview button to see it on the site. Look at that animation. That's what I'm talking about. That's the kind of thing that makes your site look premium. And you didn't write a single line of code to get it. You can also skip the CMS and edit your projects directly from the home page. Just click on a project card and a panel opens up on the right. But for bigger updates, new images, full descriptions, I recommend going through the CMS. It's cleaner. Let's quickly cover the blog. Just like the projects, you manage your blog post through the CMS. You can create a new post, edit an existing one, or put a post in draft mode if it's not ready yet. Same interface, same logic. Super intuitive. Now on the left side of the editor, there's a Pages tab. Click on it. You'll see all the pages that come with the template: the projects page, the quotes page, the blog listing page, and a terms and privacy policy page. For most of them, you don't need to change anything. The projects and blog pages pull their content directly from the CMS you already set up. The terms page, you can update that with your own content if you want, or leave it as is for now. Framer also has a built-in AI tool that can help you generate the text content for your site: your bio, your service descriptions, your about section. If you want me to do a full video on that, drop a comment below. You made it. Time to go live. Before you publish, let's give your project a clean name. See the title field at the top center of the editor? Click on it and rename it. Use your actual name or your brand name. Now, top right corner, you see that big blue button that says Publish? Hit it. And just like that, your website is live on the internet. Anyone in the world can visit it right now. Look at that. That is your website, with animations, with your projects, with your photo. Done. But we're not finished yet. Let's get you a proper URL. Right now it has a random generated link. Go to the settings icon in the top right, then click on Domains. Here you can set your free Framer subdomain. Just type your name or your brand name, and you'll get a URL that looks like this: yourname.framer.website. It's clean, it's professional, and it's completely free. And that is your live personal website, built in under 30 minutes, for free, without writing a single line of code. So that's how you build a clean, professional, personal website, completely free, in under 30 minutes. No skills required. If this video helped you, drop a like. It genuinely makes a difference for the channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, now's the time. Because next week, I'm going to show you how to create a complete brand kit with AI. Logo, colors, fonts, the whole thing, all for free. The next video is right there. I'll see you in the next one.